How you guys doing this week? I took some things out so people could see a little better. Crazy Kings, Aliens. And today we're going to be doing these right here. Bird eggs. Thanks to the comment down below on the last video. We did the medium-sized bird crackers. And the comment asks for us to do the medium-sized bird eggs. So, yeah. These are pretty cool. Can't find them anymore, so let's go see what they do. And remember, if you like what you see here and you want to see something blown off, go ahead and comment down below, and we'll do it next week. If you're the first to comment, I'll take the first person's comment and we'll blow it off next week. This week we're gonna do bird crackers. Thanks for the comment below, the first comment. And the first comment was the bird crackers, so we're gonna do those today. So we'll see you out in the field blowing these bird crackers off. All right, peace. So here we are. We got the bird crackers, the bird egg crackers. Check these out. It's funny because it says that there's 100 pieces in here. Ain't no 100 pieces in here. There's like 30, 36, I think. Let's check them out. How nice it is outside. Beautiful fall day. What a great fall day. There we go. Here's a bird cracker. We got a bird cracker here, and then we're going to do 2 bird crackers. And we're going to get out of here. There you go. There's 2 bird crackers.